everyone. Today I'm unbagging my Ipsy. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 a month subscription service. It comes with beauty products, makeup, hair care, skin care, all that fun stuff. It is sample to deluxe size, sometimes full size products. I just got done filming my BoxyCharm video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that up below. I'll link that up above, and then I'll also leave a little link to it down below. So yeah, I'm wearing the same outfit. I need to pre-record sometimes. It's just how life is. If you guys are new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then also ring your notification bell so that you guys are notified for my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Ipsy bag, then just keep watching. All right. Let's tear this guy open. And I haven't looked at any sneak peeks for this, so I have no idea what I'm getting. So this is this month's bag. It's actually really cute. It's a good size too. So it has some little butterflies on it and some little metallic detailing right there. And then some also metallic detailing on the zipper. So I'm just gonna pull the little card out. This month's theme is Social Butterfly, which I think is pretty cute. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing, and it is a brush. This is from the brand Ruby, and it looks to be just a nice little crease transition brush. The bristles are very soft, so I am really happy about that. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Trust Fund Beauty, that liquid glow though. Ooh, a liquid highlighter in the shade Lit. I'm just going to do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. So this looks like it's going to be very, like, rose gold. So there is on my hand. Actually, that is really pretty. I might be able to get away with that. Maybe. Maybe under some foundation or something. It has a pretty strong smell to it. Kind of like a perfumey, kind of grandma-y smell. Which is weird. The next thing I am pulling out is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm pretty sure this is full size, and it is in the color Stockholm. All right, and let's do a little swatch of this. So this looks like it's a nice rosy, reddy brown kind of color. I'm actually really liking this color, so I am really excited for this. Next thing I'm pulling out is this Filorga Meso Mask, Smoothing Radiance Mask, and it doesn't tell you anything about it, so I'm probably gonna have to go look it up and see what it is. I mean, I guess it kind of has like a little sheen to it, so I have no idea what this is. I'm probably gonna have to look up how to use it. And the last thing in my bag is this Mecca and Mia loose pigment. This is in the color Copper, and I'm pretty sure I already have this one. I actually have the color Beige, so I've gotten one from Ipsy before, and I'm pretty sure I told them I didn't like it, and I didn't want any more of them. Those dang guys. I'm not super into these. I don't know. I like loose pigments. I just don't use them a whole lot, so. All right, that was everything in this month's bag. Overall, not a bad month. I got, a brush that I really like, this NYX lip cream that I'll really like. Once I find out what this is, I'll probably use this. And then if I can figure out a good way to use the highlighter, I'll probably like this. Maybe I can pop it on my eyes or something. That'd be cute. So yeah, overall not a bad month. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.